Then you have a present Deputy Commissioner of Police who was selected again through the Police Service Commission, where a judge stated that he is shocked that persons who abducted a Trinidad and Tobago citizen can still be working in Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. And you have another DCP who is there, who goes on and starts to preach and telling citizens, you must not be afraid, but he's wearing a bulletproof vest and then boasting that he intends to be the next Commissioner of Police.
Be strong. I need to hear that too. Be strong. Be strong. People don't want to leave their house. Pastor, man, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Hey, be strong. Be strong. What nonsense you talking?
Boy, I think the Assistant Police Commissioner must have watched my video, because he went to church and he put down a piece of preaching on the pulpit, and you guys just heard the clip and you hear what him say, be strong. Him say, be strong. Don't be afraid. Him say, me no care how much man are dead. Me no care about them a talk about crime. Me a go turn police commissioner. Be strong. What you talking about? Be strong. Yo, you see, Junior Benjamin, me did think say a Suzette or Martin was the thing, but she not get the police commissioner, you know. She's not getting it. You see, Junior Benjamin, call him no balls man, but here what? Him a deep state, so that's why you see him kick back like that. And now you really see him true colors.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel worldwide, cover the world, international. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, they a bitch and fog. Ride out the yang with big flag, pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, they a bitch and fog. Ride out the yang with big flag, pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shoes, hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make enough stoppy. Him love step him can't cycle him feet. Green gobble and them a call police. Send Lucia, people them a ball for peace. Over Trinidad Prezi is a fucking beast. Fucking beast. Fucking countryman rich and bad. Sick and mad. Your mother vlogger they a bitch and fag.
Now yesterday I did the video on this lady, Suzette Martin. Yo, me always I call her Susan Smith, you know, but I don't know why. But Suzette Martin, half man, half woman. And now I kinda get the picture of what is going on. She has aspiration, you know, for her turn police commissioner, because you know when you aspire for those kind of positions, that means you have big and great ambitions, and you have a certain kind of personality who's attracted to stuff like that. She is, but the point that I am trying to make is that I think Junior Benjamin, he knows what was, because I was even saying it in the video that I did yesterday. I said Junior Benjamin, he is the assistant commissioner in charge of operations. Do you guys know what operations mean? You know, when you have a factory and you have a operation manager or a plant manager, they oversee the whole operation in that place, and that's what he does. So the intelligence squad that took down Miss Erla the killing squad with the police them have the whatever them name unit. Everything this man has privy to it, and not only does he have privy to it, he should report this to the commissioner. You understand? Because she is the commissioner, and I don't know how they set up the thing, but the prime minister should get a briefing every day from the assistant of police or from the commissioner, and let him know what's going on. That's how it is. That's how it should work. But so now I'm kind of getting the full picture of this. But before me do that, me I go play the rest of. Me I change him name. Me have to change him name. Me have to change him name. Me I call him the machine gun policeman preacher. I don't name the fit him. He was the machine gun preacher, dog. You understand? And him have the ambition. And I really Susan. Listen to him.
I recognize that, hello, you see, your image will be attracted. You will attract your words. So if you start to talk negative things, a host of negative things will come. Because it is attracted by your word. But I start to speak some things over my life. I am telling, I am not going to die before my time. Hello, I am going to be a commissioner of police. I am going to be a good commissioner of police. I am going to be a leader of leaders. I start to speak it over my life. Whether it happens or not, hello, that you watch and see. But hello, I will not wait until you tell me that. No, I go need your help.
Yo, you hear what the machine gun preacher say? He must say, boy, he no need him help. He no need no help. He know what he must do. And yo, me I listen to him, he's a good preacher, you know. Cause you hear him say, you talk negative, and negative will manifest. He must say, manifest good thoughts. But at the same time, he must manifest good thoughts. We still have to make people know, say, yo, Junior Benjamin, you are the deep state, and like I said, I know Susan or Suzette are the deep state. She's a part of the deep state, but you are on the deep state. Now listen to what the ex-police commissioner, the white boy Gary Griffin, listen to what he's saying, and a lot of what he is saying, I have been saying that about this case with the police commissioner and what's going on. Listen to this.
Having said all of that, this is not an isolated situation. This has been going on for the last few years in the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. The object seems to be now one of whoever is the king or the queen. Your role is to try to take down that person, and your reward is to get the crown.
I have to jump in right here, so. And here why I have to jump in right here, so. At the same thing me I said, him say is the next person behind you want be the king or the queen. So what them do, them line you up and put you in a problem, you understand, and now them become the king. That's exactly what him said, and him say this has been going on in the Trinidad Police Service for a long time. He went on to say that this even happened to him, you know. You had a guy trying to take him out. You understand? So, just like I was saying, Junior Benjamin, Deputy Commissioner, him at the deep state, and I him orchestrate everything. I'm going to explain to you now why I come up with that. You understand? But in the meantime, make we hear where white boy Gary I say. Before I play the video with white boy Gary. Now, I'm a little bit unorthodox, but this is serious business. So I'm really breaking this down and translating this, what's going on, so normal people can understand. You understand? Fuck all of the up the words and all this bumbuckler thing. I'm breaking it down. So that's what I am here to do. So with that said, let me hear let's be politically correct. Let's hear what ex-police commissioner, Mr. Gary, have to say. Let's go.
This is totally unfortunate. I have seen it even when I was commissioner of police. There was a certain individual, he tried to target someone so that he could be charged whilst he was a DCP. Then he put a fake report that stopped a man from being an ACP to become a deputy commissioner of police. Then when I was commissioner of police, they certainly would have done what they did with Erla. They would have known what would have happened. So what they did is try to lie and influence politicians for me to be removed. And then when McDonald Jacob took over, others below him tried to get him removed. And now Erla Christopher is the same situation. When will this end? This is totally sickening.
You heard what him just said. Him said they wouldn't try what they did to Erla with him. You understand? So what they did, they went a different route with the politician and lie upon him and them help push him out. And one of them politicians there, a Lion King, the Minister of Security, the dreadlocks boy. You understand? Him and one of them were help push out that brother here. So he has felt the hands of the politician and the system. Now the dreadlocks boy, National Security Minister, call a brother Dunspot. You understand? And I'm not laugh, but it's not funny. Yo, Trinidad politics dread enough.
This situation seems to be no different. It is amazing that up to now, the police service can't say exactly what it is that they were planning to arrest and charge Erla Christopher for. We have to look at the present situation. Right now, we have a situation where a commissioner of police was appointed and she reached a point of lack of confidence where even her attorney had to speak on her behalf. She must be strong enough. She has 7,000 persons under her command.
And I agree with Gary. She should be strong. I was talking to a friend of mine and I told him the same thing. She need to be strong and she need to run out on them like a fucking bitch. But Erla, you know, she just kind of folded still. But I'm gonna show you guys a document. This is how the deep state run. Now look at that document. It's a special document. Now it said the Police Service Commission has terminated the appointment of Commissioner Earlwood. Now the termination took effect from Friday the 31st of January, you know. So from the 31st of January she was terminated. So what they did, they planned everything, you know, tooth and nail. The underboss, which is Junior Benjamin, because he's the chief of operation, so he knows about everything. He knows all the intelligence. He links with the professional Bureau of Standards and they program her through the Bureau of Standards. But her fate was already sealed from the 31st. And then now, all of a sudden, this dude right here, he's nominated to be police commission. And they're gonna debate it in Parliament on February 5th.
All I need to hear is a word from the Lord. What is God saying over your life, God? And therefore, you have to be strong. God says you must do it. In this fight, we cannot be afraid. We cannot cower. Hello, I don't care what is the crime situation. I don't care who is the crime. I got to be strong. Somebody tell attractive things it will attract your words. So if you start to talk negative things, a host of negative things will come. Because it is attracted by a word. But I start to speak some things over my life. I am telling, hey, I am not going to die before my time. Hello, I am going to be a commissioner of police. I am going to be a good commissioner of police. I am going to be a leader of leaders. I start to speak it over my life. Whether it happens or not, then that you watch and see. But hello, I will not wait until you tell me that.
Now, I notice everybody noticed this. And he was sort of like clown for this. Now, him dress up in a bulletproof vest, you know, on the pulpit, preaching, you know, in a bulletproof vest. And me not like, him look like a clown in it still. And he's saying he's not afraid, but he's still in a bulletproof vest. This guy right here, he's not taking no chance with his 3 points. I'm just telling y'all. And not saying he's not afraid. What I am going to say, he is very well prepared. So anything that comes at him, oh, he is ready. Like Freddy, you can tell. And I had to mention that. Let's go. That was the machine gun pastor. The policeman pastor, Machine Gun Kelly. But you hear what he said though? Him speak things and him know where did that happen. The reason why him know what was gonna happen is because he is the big mastermind behind everything. And it made totally sense like I stated in the first video, but even more so in this one because he is the operations manager for the company. And the company have about 7,000 employees. You understand? So he knows every nook and cranny. One thing Gary was saying, the professional standards, they are police and they're working out of the police environment. Whereas in Jamaica, you have Indicom. Indicom is separate. Cause Indicom just get millions of dollars from Britain to run them thing. And Jamaica also give them money. Indicom is like the professional service viewer, I guess you would. Well, it's a little bit different, but them investigate police, so that would be similar. Now I hope this shed some light on Trinidad and the corruption and the environment, how toxic it is, especially in the police department. You see them push out the big bad police boy when named Alexander. Them push him out, you know, and them take him off of the TV. You understand? And now them push out the police commissioner. Before I go, because I forgot to explain this part. Now, remember I said he's operation manager, Machine Gun Kelly, Machine Gun Policeman, Preacher. No balls, I take that back. But anyways, because he was the operations manager, he was the one who had privy to all sorts of information. And what he should have done when that thing came across her desk for her to sign, he should have checked her and said, no ma'am, you know, no boss, blah blah blah, this not good, ray. But he didn't do that. What he did, he sort of set her up and lead her in. But like Mr. Gary said, that is no crime. Cause a sniper rifle is not an automatic weapon, and that is illegal. So yeah, so it plays out that Junior Benjamin are the culprit, and him have the whole of the backing of the deep state. Him have all the backing of the politician them, and him just make him move, and it's playing out live right in front of the whole world. And that's just how it is, yo. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.